The Metcal CV-IOT application allows field configuration, monitoring, and analysis of connection validation smart soldering units. View soldering productivity and resource utilization in the dashboard view. This view displays the total solder joints, average tip life remaining, stations on and off, ground fault events, and solder joints per station. Click the Details button on the dashboard to view, query, and analyze the database data. Click Lifetime Joint Summary to view total joint counts for your operation. Click Productivity to view productivity by month, the current year, all time, or by cartridge, serial number, or lot number. Click Power and Temp Graph to view power and temperature readings over time. Click Tab Data to examine details on each joint. Clicking Filter allows admins to drill down by any one of several factors, including by station, IP address, PCB, cartridge, and joint count number. The admin area is password protected for added security. Admins can easily onboard each station into the system. Examine system operations data on every solder joint made with the database view. Including the timestamp, MAC address, IP address, part number, and more. The system can be set up to send email notifications of ESD events or cartridge changes. The admin can easily download a CSV file of the data for evaluation and analysis.